Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure and delight to be with you all today after such a long time. We have a very interesting topic on the table today. It says handling aggression. I'm sure you are all aware with the term aggression because you all must have faced aggression in your lives at some point of time. And I'm sure it has come to you from unexpected quarters at an unexpected time. That's what happens. And it leaves us absolutely off the guard, and we are completely devastated, and we feel it hurts because aggression comes from very close quarters and at an unexpected time when we least expect it. It could be our parents, spouse, best friend, siblings, neighbors, office boss, peers, caregivers, menials. It could be anybody. The other day, I was surprised to hear a toddler complaining that he was brutally harassed both mentally and physically because he wanted his caregiver to play with him. The caregiver, a lady, she was more interested in watching TV and talking to her peers back home or something like that. And therefore, whenever the child demanded her attention, the lady thrashed him instead of giving him all the attention for which she was paid. I have also received complaints from senior citizens saying that since their children are away from home, they're in different parts of the world, and they are here with the governess. So it seems that the governess literally misbehaves with them. They not only verbally abuse these old people, they refuse to give them proper medicine and food, and it is a very, very humiliating and disturbing situation for the old people. And they said that they don't feel like talking about this to their children when they call because they'll be disturbed, and but they're taking all the shit for no reason at all. So aggression is a very disturbing thing. It hurts. It hurt internally, and unless and until a tough fight is given on the very first day, although it comes at an unexpected hour, and if we take it timidly and we start making compromise, it's going to get worse with time. That's what my experience is, because there are people that are very, very aggressive. And you know what? They think that they can cover up their weakness, their internal weakness, through this aggression. Because men worth their salt will not be aggressive towards the weaker sex. That doesn't happen. So we have to discuss a lot of things here, and after we discuss a few pertinent points, I'll be giving away PowerPoint slides after this session is over so that you can recap whatever we discussed. I would like to say that we have to first find out what is actually the definition of aggression. What does aggression mean actually? And then we have to take it forward. We have to think about what are the different kinds of aggression. Why are people around us aggressive? Is it a willful act, or is it some kind of a suppressed anger on their part that finds an outburst all of a sudden? What is it? We have to also work on the ways of handling aggression, how we should be dealing with aggression. And because it's very important, because the after effects, the aftermath of this aggression could be dangerous actually. It could take the people, if you are continuously taking aggression silently and meekly, it could take you to the path of destruction through depression. Because once it gets beyond a certain level, no medicines or therapy would be able to help. Aggression is such a thing, it will keep on in the mind. It will keep on going in the mind like a broken record player and then it will cause indigestion and bad temper, mood swings, hallucinations. You start getting bad dreams and you'll be sleep deprived, and you feel like a lost warrior, where defeat eats you out. So we have to handle these kind of people, the aggressive people. And there are different kinds of aggressive people. Some of them are aggressive on the face of it, and some of them are passive aggressive. So even they are the dangerous type. So we have to know the difference between the different kinds of aggression and how we are supposed to deal with it. So I'll take it forward from there in the classroom, and I hope you like it. Thanks a lot for being there.